Buddy, the brewery dog. You can trust this four-legged friend to guide you straight to the delicious flavors on tap at the Prairie Sun Brewery.
It's definitely a passion. Beer is great. It's a fun industry to be in, you know, everything's fun, all the events are fun. You get to pair beer and food, which is awesome.
As the owner of this prairie-themed business, Heather Williams takes great pride in her product and her community's local farms.
All of our grains we get locally. It's kind of cool that we get to keep, you know, all that income and revenue here in Saskatchewan. And then we also source out ingredients like ginger and peppers and smoked chipotles and stuff like that, all locally at the farmers market. Even chocolates or coffees to make our stouts.
Stirring all of these local ingredients together is Heather's partner, Cameron Ewan, who is the man responsible for concocting Prairie Sun's special blends.
For me, as the only person here, I get a chance to try different things out in the specialty beers and stuff. So we've got the pumpkin beer coming out, so that was really fun to do because I never had a chance to do a pumpkin beer before, but I did a bunch of test batches and tested it all out. And then coming up, we've got a local farmer has a big bunch of hops, so we're buying a bunch of hops from him. We're gonna do a fresh hop, all Saskatchewan hopped beer, and that's gonna be super exciting.
While brewing can be fun, it is also an extremely complex and lengthy process. So Cameron says there's one thing every brewer must remember.
You gotta taste it, that's the main thing. You taste it and you see what is really good about that beer and what's different, and you can just tweak little things. And lots of the times, a little bit of flavors the most people wouldn't really pick up on batch to batch, but if you're tasting it, working with it every day, then you can kind of pick out those little subtleties and try to really craft your brew.
Nice and sweet, that's good, that's what you want.
After filtering the beer and allowing it to sit, a task that can take months depending on the malt, customers can finally enjoy the bubbly brewski of their choice.
So what we do is we fill 2-liter growlers, and they're refillable. So you take it home, and after you drink it, you rinse it, and you bring it back, and then you can fill it up with whatever we have on tap. And we're able to offer taste testers when you come in, so you don't have to go home blind with a 6-pack of something you didn't try. You can taste them first.
With only one other microbrewery here in Saskatoon, stopping by the Prairie Sun may be a refreshing idea for you and your guests this Thanksgiving. What goes better with turkey than a glass of pumpkin ale? However, with the selection here at the brewery, you are sure to find your perfect blend. From Prairie Sun in Saskatoon, I'm Janella Hamilton reporting.